Have you seen a fresh, fun, and futuristic crossover? Wait, you haven't? Well, I have fantastic news for you. Meet the Suzuki Fronx. What piqued our interest in the Fronx is that it blends between the futuristic and holographic heads-up display and the classic analog gauges. It even has a spacious cabin that can seat 5 and a trunk capacity of 304 liters. Under the hood is Suzuki's dual-jet engine, a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed automatic. This one in particular, though, has a 12-volt hybrid system that makes it more fuel efficient with low emissions. The Fronx has a strong front face thanks to its double fender design, front skid plate, and a black grille with a chrome bar. Even the LED headlights give off a serious and mean look. On the side, you have a seamless coupe look. Up top are roof rails. You even have an upper rear lip spoiler and a shark fin antenna for that sporty look. The fender garnishes and skid plates not only protect the body, but it also gives this a muscular SUV look. And you can even spice it up a little bit more thanks to Suzuki's official accessories. The Fronx is built on the Hardtech platform, and it comes with loads of safety features, such as 6-point SRS airbag, hill hold control, electronic stability program, and anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution. To top it all off, Suzuki's safety support gives you another layer of protection, providing you stuff like dual sensing brake support 2, blind spot monitoring, and many more. The Fronx is available in 3 different flavors: the GL 4-speed automatic, the GLX 6-speed automatic hybrid, and the SGX 6-speed automatic hybrid with Suzuki safety support. Its modern design, advanced safety features, and smart hybrid technology make the Suzuki Fronx a darling to live with. It even earned a 5-star safety rating from the ASEAN New Car Assessment Program. Makes you think, can you unleash its potential?